Hey, welcome back to Life with Dem. It's Black History Month, and it's only right we talk about Black history, culture, and food all month long.
That's right, because African American culture is ancestral. Good job, Mama.
It's transcendental,
resilient, and revolutionary.
In order to understand our culture, you must understand our history.
Ooh, that was good.
Good job.
Today's Black History dish is barbecue baked chicken in honor of our Black cowboys and cowgirls.
What's a cowboy without Nat Love, Bill Pickett, or Bass Reeves?
What's country music without the banjo?
It's fair to think of a cowboy as a horseback riding hero, sporting sombreros, jeans, and boots. But it's important to know cowboy culture is more than Western classics depict it to be. Historians estimate 1 in every 4 cowboys were African Americans. Their contributions to cowboy culture were often miscredited and oftentimes overlooked. It's up to us to be the culture bearers of our stories.
Before Hollywood made cowboys popular, the term cowboy was used disparagingly for the black cowhands. Some of their tasks included supervising herd, training horses, and being a guard while traveling long distances on the frontier. Less is known of the cowgirls. However, historians believe their duties were similar. The cowboy life helped some of them earn enough to emancipate themselves, while others were hired for their expertise when slavery became illegal. The numbers of black cowboys and cowgirls increased even more when our newly freed ancestors sought a new life in the West. They were skilled horse riders and cattle wranglers who not only managed their own ranches, but became popular in the Wild West shows as they invented techniques we still see today. It's no surprise they grew fan bases around the country and abroad. Black cowboy culture is still alive. Actually, it never left. You can still see us at horse races and hosting rodeos. We still go on trail rides to preserve the legacy of our ancestors, except now we're not bringing cattle along. We're bringing the culture. You'll see us riding horseback, pulling wagons of family and friends, and blasting Zydeco.
Thanks for tuning in to episode 4 of our Black History, Culture, and Food series. Stay tuned for what we'll share next.